Alright, I'm just gonna open up my comments and see what's up with these motherfuckers, bro. I'm trying to make some beats, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to work on some beats. I'm trying to get busy while I'm working on some beats. I just need to find someone who can help me, start getting busy working on some beats.
Now this is about turning stuff up and turning stuff down.
Look, I just grabbed it, right? And by some kind of miracle and shit, it just so happened to like sync up. You see like a bird makes this sound on this shit and it makes another one on this shit. Kind of just makes my life easier. I didn't even plan that shit, I just did it by accident, so now just, trim it up and all that shit and start out with a bass line. I'm fucking with it. I like this really cheesy brass. I just start putting a bunch of other shit on that shit, man. Listen to this pad, bro. I mean, that's crisp. You can't get that kind of crisp anywhere else. You see how the melody is going down, but the chords are going up? Fucking science, bro. Hey, I'm just saying, if I were to make this go up and this go up, it probably sounds stupid. I told you. That's what I'm saying about the drums too, right? Like, yeah, you can't forget that. We just making beats, right? You can have a good melody and a this and a that, but it's like, as long as you got the beats, right, you got the whole shaking ass shit, that's what really matters and shit. Shit, I'm a dude and I'm trying to shake my ass to this shit.
No, you never heard this before.
Oh my god, it's Hatsune Miku, bro. That's my favorite one. Oh shit, this guy's got motherfucking loops, bro. I'm about to tear that ass up, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? This shit's like supposed to be like sad and emotional and shit. And it's like, it's cool, I fuck with it, but it's like, I'm not sad and emotional, but it's like, I got a vision, bro. It's like, I could turn this to a smoke session, you know what I'm saying? Some of that, you know what I'm saying? Smoking some of that, the purple clouds, you know what I'm saying? Smoking some of that real OG, you know what I'm saying? Smoking some of that, smoking some of that good shit. So, I'm just gonna get rid of this bass line, you know what I'm saying? People that tell you, oh, you gotta follow the root notes, they don't know what they're talking about. fuck them, bunch of idiots. The hats, bro. I just do it like this sometimes when I feel like it, you know, if you never tried it, you should probably try it, you know, it's not advice. And this 808 that I got out here, right? Like the last one, I try to make it big and fat and like carry, but I'm trying to make this one even bigger and fatter. I pretty much just use fast distortion and shit.
Bruh.